Jack. Doing some paperwork? That's what it looks like. And of course, you know who is close by. Fix your ear, Mikey. Your hair doesn't look right. No, it doesn't. All right, that's a good boy. You're being nice to Jack. You got Jack? Oh, Jack, there's a wire. Wag your tail and wait for it. He's doing that mind meld thing again, isn't he? Yeah. Here he is. Jack's just enjoying his space. And you're learning such nice manners. You're being a very good boy. And Ellie's a very good girl. She's sleepy right now. All right, Mike. You want to pester somebody, you just can't decide who it is. Maybe it'll be Ellie instead. Funny Michael. Good boy. Love you, Mike.